Do you want to know about this ultra-delicate round handbag? How? Come with me and I'll teach you right away. Make it today with this leftover curtain cloth. Those who can't draw can use this method. Take a suitable circle. The diameter of my circle is 21.5 centimeters. Draw a circle according to this circle. Measure 5 centimeters up from the bottom of the circle. 5 centimeters to the point where the circle intersects 9 centimeters. After drawing, follow the line we drew. Cut it out like this. And when we're done, we fold this piece directly up. Make a mark. Same here. After making the mark, take out our soft ruler and measure the top. Add the seam allowance to get the size of the zipper patch. Now let's put the bottom together. If someone's cloth is displayed, you can directly cut the double fold, because my cloth is too narrow. So we need to put the middle piece together. After finishing, you can iron on the hard lining. After cutting, we iron the lining inside. Then cut out the inside of the same size. This is what we cut out according to the size we just cut. Cropped zipper. 2 linings and 2 outer fabrics. Let's zip it up first. Was ready, we turned it over to the front. Then put it on the open line. This side does the same thing as him. After the zipper is done, install the zipper head. Then fix the lining with the washcloth. After fixing, put buckles on both sides. Take out our bags again. Face the zipper and the bag. Then take out our lining. Also face to face with the bag. Fix it like this. Same here. We put bag buckles in this place. Still very thick. Take a look at this thickness, it is very thick and can be passed easily. After both sides are fixed, we're going to flip this inside out. After turning over, fix the outer fabric and the lining with a machine. Fix a circle like this. After the inner part and the watch part are fixed, we pull it like this and fold it in half. Take it to the center point and sit on the mark. The bag body is also the same, and the center point is aligned with the center point, so like this for a lap. Here too. Take out the hemming strip after the sewing on both sides. Wrap it like this. After wrapping the edges, so our bags are ready, we flip it to the front. After turning it over, you can hang straps on both sides. You can also make a bag belt with the headquarters by yourself, and then you can put another handle on this. This is what it looks like when it's installed. This can be based on everyone's needs. You can put it or not. In this way, you can carry it by hand and span diagonally. This cutting method is also very simple. Then the inner hole inside is also very large. Thanks for watching and don't forget like and subscribe.